we are going to initiate with the next collocation. So the first one is public or the peer pressure. What is that? Public. What do you mean by public pressure or the peer pressure? When do we get that? Do we get it, or the government can get the public pressure?
Yeah.
Public can pressurize the government, no? In such a case, we can say that if there is public pressure, then definitely the government is going to change its decision. Okay. So now at the moment, what we are doing, we are also trying to pressurize the government to change their decision about the laws. So that is why, farmer laws. So public pressure, public will pressurize, and then they will turn their decision down. Okay, whatever decision they have taken. And peer pressure, your friends' pressure, your compatriots' pressure, your co-partners' pressure, like that would be peer pressure. Like in school, generally the students used to face this peer pressure as a collocation. The peer pressure is the one that we face because of like our friends or somebody who try to pressurize us in some case or other case. Okay, that is peer pressure. Okay, understood or not?
Yes.
Okay. Then thereafter we have the next one, that is major development. Major development. That means when we try to find out some sort of resources or something, or some sort of like study we are doing. Okay, and out of that one comes out something as findings. One of the major development would be one of the finding from the given study. Okay, that would be our major find. Major means important, chief. Okay, development means finding. Okay, here it is finding. Major development. The major development that we have seen through these years is that the government has stopped taking care of the people. Okay, we can say, or the government has started taking care of the people. That is a major development that we have seen. Both way we can say, negative, positive. That is our choice. That's our own view that we can use. Okay. Anyways, the next one, that is that got stuck in traffic. What do you mean by got stuck? Got stuck is made from get stuck. Okay, get stuck, got stuck. Okay, past form. Okay, got stuck in traffic. That means you are congested in the traffic. Congestion is so much on the road that you can't get rid of the place, and you are still there. Okay, you can't move your car, your vehicle, or you can't come out of it even when you are walking there as pedestrian. Okay, sorry. Okay, as a pedestrian, if you are going, still you can't go out. That means you are facing the problem to come out of the traffic. So that means you have gotten stuck in the traffic. You've gotten stuck in the traffic jam. You can say traffic jam. Okay, you have gotten stuck. You can say gotten also for the got. Clear? I hope it is clear. Then thereafter we have next one, like arduous journey, like very what we say, brave journey, tough journey, courageous journey, very difficult journey that you have gone through, arduous journey. Okay, ARDUOUS journey. Okay. Now, one of the key advantage of that one, when we say key advantage, next one is key advantage. Key advantage. Key here can be for chief, important, something important. Main advantage. The main advantage. Suppose we talk about any advantage of using a pen over the pencil. Suppose we are preferring. I prefer pencil rather than using the pencil rather than using a pen. Okay, why? The key advantage is it is erasable. Erasable. We can erase it. Yeah.
It is erasable and much cheaper than pen.
Yeah, it is erasable and much cheaper than a pen. Instead of than a pen. Okay. Clear? Done? Yeah. Have a thirst for adventure, or have a real sense of adventure. What is adventure? Yeah,
Adventure.
you go. What is adventure?
Adventure. It's like a atmosphere.
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 Not-
Himalayas.
Himalayas. Adventure. My God. And anything else?
Adventure is outdoor.
Mhm. That can be excursion.
It's
When we go out, that is excursion. Like we go for outing, no?
Okay.
But what can be adventure?
adventure is
Adventure is
What can be adventurous?
something
Something
which is
which gives you
Fun.
excitement,
Yeah.
thrill. Okay, when you have the thrill, you take a risk.
yeah.
Okay, the people who take risk, they go for adventure. They love to do what we say skydiving, skydiving, mountain climbing, bungee jumping, and scuba diving. You know, going inside the water and all. Is it that one? Scuba diving? Have you?
scuba diving समंदर के अंदर जो deep-
Yeah. We go like that, no? That is that. So that is all adventure. You're taking risk of your life. So here you have a thirst for the adventure. When you do such things, that means you have a thirst for. Thirst means
Pyas.
pyas. And how we quench our thirst? Quench means pyas bujana. Okay. How we quench our thirst? We quench our thirst by going for adventure. So that is why I say that that person has a different thirst for adventure, or we can say the person has a real sense of adventure. The people who always used to love jumping from the cliffs and all that, no? So from in the waterfall, you know. So the next one is which one? Take up the challenge. Okay, he took up the challenge and he did what? he won. He took up the challenge. That means somebody challenged him and he took up the challenge and he won that one. When you take up the challenge yourself, you take up the challenge personally also. You take up the challenge like usually also. It depends upon you that how you take up the challenge. You should take up the challenge, or you can say that you should take up the challenge and bring some improvement in your usual habits. Okay, take some challenge and improve your habits. Okay, next one, keep in shape. So especially when it comes to your health and your physique, you're built up, you need to keep yourself in shape. Okay, you should keep your body in shape. Okay, there you can use. Okay. Anything else which you can keep in shape, like your life and the abstract sort of thing idea. It is we should, to keep my life in shape, I try to exercise, and then I try to always talk to the people. I try to become more sociable, okay, amicable, so that people would not feel offended from me, so that I can be regarded as a very sociable person in the society. Sociable person. I'm repeating the word just to let you remember that I'm saying something which you can copy or imitate in your speaking also. Sociable means the person who talks to people, who used to be friendly with the people. Okay? And then thereafter we have score an own goal. Like when you know the score, like usually when we play football, where do we score the goal? Okay, but when we score an own goal, what does that mean? Like when you do something wrong on your own part, for that one you can use score an own goal. Okay, means to say he scored an own goal by by hitting him so badly, by hitting his brother on so badly. Okay, he scored an own goal like by hitting his own brother. Okay, obviously it's your loss only. You are hitting your brother, you are fighting with your brother, so at the end of the day you will be at loss only. Your family will be at loss. Maybe it can be taken in another way, like he was a bodybuilder and you are a very thin looking boy, so kindly take care of that one, that you are not going to score your own goal, okay? In that sense, I believe in that sense only it means. Okay, let me okay, next one, implement a plan. Think of that one, implement a plan. Implement means
सुधारने में सुधारना.
think of it. What do you mean by implement a plan? One is implement for the mission, like formation of the for the formation of the plan.
इस तरह के changes करना plan में.
That is amendments. Sudhar means amendments in the plan. Implementation means when you have made a plan, you are implementing that one. You are trying to plan it and you are doing it. You are trying to implement that one in your life. Suppose when we say whatever you say should be implemented in your life also. It is not like simply you're gonna say it. Try to execute also. Okay, that is implementation. Implementation of what you do, what you say, what you write and all. Okay, that is implementation.
लागू करना.
Yeah. Okay. I was actually talking about score and own goal, no? So that was right. Trying to hurt yourself itself. You are going to self-defeat yourself. You can sorry, backlash yourself. Backlash means same thing. Whatever you are going to lash somebody, it will come back to you. That means if you're gonna hurt somebody, you are going to hurt yourself. If suppose you are burning the crackers, it will come back to you. That means you are going to score your own goal. Okay. that means it is going to rebound back to you. It will backfire. Backfire is very fine. Backfire. Something backfires you when you know that in reality it is definitely going to hurt you at the end of the day. Okay. So that backfire. अपने लिए, yeah, exactly. Then thereafter, draw up a schedule and stick to that schedule. Schedule is pronunciated two ways. One is schedule, another is schedule. Okay, schedule, I use it schedule personally. When it comes, for me, I'm using it like that. Schedule is used for the noun. Okay, I use it for noun. Or verb also it can be used. That's nothing wrong. Just to make a difference, I keep it like whenever something is planned at certain time, I say it is scheduled at that. But when it is about a noun form, a timetable or something, I say that it is a schedule. Schedule is also right pronunciation. Schedule is also the right pronunciation. You can go either way. You can use both of them. Anyway, draw up a schedule. That means make up a schedule or make up a schedule or stick to that schedule or schedule. Okay. So that means we should not keep on drawing up the schedule, but we need to stick to that also. It's not like we're gonna give the paper to the students or to ourselves or to anybody in the family that this is the way you need to plant yourself up. Okay, you need to implement everything accordingly. But at the end of the day, something which is practical is your timetable should be in your mind. Your schedule has to be in your brain so that you can execute it at any time. Okay, so make a schedule but in the brain only. Okay, it will you're like practically trying to do it. Sorry. Yeah, and then thereafter, what is that? Exercise control over. Okay, like when something has a control on something, like government used to exercise control over the finances, the machinery, the administrative machinery. The different other things are controlled by the government. Exercise means owns the control, no? Does the control. Exercise means to do it. Okay, so exercise control over is to be used in a case when we say that you don't have any right in my life, so do not exercise control over me in any way possible. Okay, so kindly control your reins and whatever your statements are. Okay, do not try to overdo everything. Okay, so there you can say exercise control over can be useful. Careful consideration. What is careful consideration? We need to give careful consideration to everything, every nook and corner of the points that we hear or read. Okay, because they all are important. Suppose something is very important, very like crucially important. There you can say that we need to give careful consideration to that. Consider means that means we think it is important. Give importance. Okay, careful importance, careful reading, careful listening can be that. Give careful consideration to my words. You mean to say, the person would mean to say that kindly listen to me carefully. Okay, careful consideration, trying to consider it and go by each and every single statement that I say. Okay, so careful consideration is that. When we consider everything very carefully. And then after put their ideas into practice. Okay, these politicians used to make so many statements that we will do this or that. They must have ideas, but whether they put those ideas into practice, that is also up to them only. So which is actually a false notion, and they always make false promises, fake promises that we will do this or that, but they do not abide by their own statements. They do not abide by their own statements. It's very sorry state of affairs that they do not abide by their own statements. Sorry. Then a bold experiment, an open experiment. For that one you can use bold experiment. Then thereafter strongly influenced you can use. He is strongly influenced by the teachings of Mahatma Gandhi, by the teachings of Bhagat Singh, by the teachings of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Prabhavit and all that. Strongly influenced means like too much. Okay, yeah, firmly he is under the totally into his personality, that means. Clear? Up to this one is fine, I think. After that one we are going to talk about some other concept. So thank you very much for watching the video and listening to me carefully, and keep watching English Lovers by Hanadi for more videos like such. Thank you very much. Bye bye.